Hello, my dear friends. I'm about to give you a free gift. It's a sample video from my patreon.com site, and it is a mini mentoring session. You'll get one of these every Friday, just as a little teaser, a little taste to see what it would be like to get one of these 5 days a week. If you decide you'd like to have one of these mini mentoring sessions 5 days a week, ad-free, go to A Better Life with FlyLady Kat at patreon.com, patreon.com, and sign up. It's only $5 a month. You get 20 videos a month, and they are designed to give you a kick in the pants first thing in the morning. It's set up so that you can see them first thing, so you can watch them in bed even before you get going. It's designed for payroll and at-home homemakers, and it will help you with the way you think about the way you're doing life and doing the FlyLady system. So I hope that you go over and check out my Patreon site. While you're there, look at all of the other opportunities that I have for you for mentoring. We do personal one-on-one mentoring. There are different levels of that. And also I offer this year in 2022 financial mentoring. So if you need a budget, if you would like to be financially independent, now's the time to sign up for that as well. Okay, have a wonderful day. Enjoy the video. Hello, my dear patrons. I am back from vacation, and today is Monday, and we are going to talk about what we're going to do this week. But first, I want to give you a little inspiration. And your inspiration is that you need to never look back. If you look back with regret on the things that you've done, you can't go forward. When you're looking back and you're plowing a row, as it refers to in the Bible, you're not going to be fit for the plow. You're plowing a crooked row because you're not looking forward. So don't look over your shoulder. Don't look back. Don't feel bad about what's happened. Don't feel bad about the state of your home if that's your issue. Think about what's going to happen. What hope, with hope, we can go forward. That's what we need, hope. Okay? And hope is that you can do this. And there is no real hope. We're going to do it one little bit at a time, but it gives you hope. It gives you the promise of something good to come. So keep your eyes on the horizon, focus on today, and do the work that I tell you to do today. You're going to feel so much better. Okay, so today is Monday, May 16th. It is weekly home blessing hour for the at-home homemakers. Payroll, you're going to do that on Saturday morning. So let's go over our day. We're going to get up this morning, 30 minutes before the family, and do our morning routine. We're going to follow that with laundry and paper if those are two routines you need to do today. If you have paper clutter, you need to do it. If you have dirty laundry, you need to do it, okay? All right. Now, if you're payroll, and if you're at-home homemakers, you're going to go get your children up and put them through their morning routine, feeding them breakfast, cleaning up after breakfast. Don't leave a mess. As part of your morning routine, you've emptied the dishwasher. So when you clean up after breakfast, put your dishes in the dishwasher. Have your children put their dishes in the dishwasher. Wipe the table. Wash the pots and pans if you used any. Clean up so when you come home, it looks nice. Okay? Or at-home homemaker. So when you go back in the kitchen, it looks nice. It's organized. You're ready to work. Okay? All right. Now we're going to deliver our children to school if that's something we need to do, and payroll, then you're going to go on to work. Oh, I always forget. What do I forget? Can you remember? Yep, clutter stop. You've got to do one in the morning, so do a quick clutter stop. If there's a pair of flip-flops on the chair, go put them in your closet. If they belong to your kids, send your kids to their closet, etc. Get those little bits picked up that just got left behind since the last time you clutter checked, which hopefully was right before bed. All right, now payroll, go to work, do your excellent work today. I'm so proud of you. I know you've been really focusing on that, and I'm really knowing that you're feeling the difference, and eventually those in power are going to recognize that, or if you're the boss, you're going to see a huge change in your work. Okay, now at home, we'll see you at 5:30 at dinner time. At-home homemakers, you guys you've already done your morning routine, you've already cleaned up after breakfast. Now I want you to step right into the zone. The zone today is zone 3, which is the hall bathroom and or one other room. So if your hall bathroom has no more clutter, then you're going to just clean the bathtub in there, which I like you to do every month. Give it a good deep clean, 15 minutes. And then tomorrow and the rest of the week, the rest of the other 3 days, you're going to do something in an other room. So hopefully when you planned out this week, you picked an other room. That's what you're going to be working on. But today we're just going to clean the bathtub. If you have clutter in the bathroom, we're still going to clean the bathtub. The other 3 days will stay in the bathroom. Okay? All right. Next, we're going to do our weekly home blessing hour. Now, you can choose, if you're homeschooling, you wanted to take that 15 minutes to do your little bathroom situation. Now we can start homeschooling. And then at lunchtime, after lunch, everybody can chip in and you can do the weekly home blessing hour. Or if your babies are little and you're going to put them down for a nap, that might be a great time to do your blessing hour. But remember, it's 6 things. So this morning, I hope you didn't make your bed. You're going to strip your bed. And that's why I like you to listen to this first thing in the morning. You're going to strip your bed, wash those sheets. That's your laundry. Then you're going to do... you're going to mop, you're going to sweep, you're going to dust, you're going to empty garbage cans, and you're going to wipe glass. And I would do it in this order. Wipe the glass. And that does not mean clean the windows. It means wipe the spots off the mirror in the bathroom. Wipe the fingerprint off the mirror in the hall. Whatever it is. You're just wiping spots. You're not cleaning windows. Okay? All right. Next, and it's 10 minutes total. So do a quickie through the house, or you can give that to a small child to do. Second thing is dusting. Take your feather duster, spend 2 minutes in 5 rooms feather dusting. I actually spend less time than that and get more than 5 rooms done, because once you do it every week and you're using that excellent feather duster, which you can get on Amazon, or you can buy at the FlyLady.net store, but I honestly think you can get a good feather duster right on Amazon. Feather dust. And that can be given to a child who can reach high enough to do it. The third little job is empty all the little garbage cans. You can do that, or you can give that to a child. The fourth job is to vacuum the rooms or dust mop the rooms. We are not going to mop hard surfaces yet. We're just going to sweep or dust mop the hard surfaces, and we're going to vacuum the carpets. Now, if you have hard surfaces and carpets in a room, you're not going to do both. Look at your carpet. Does it need a quick vacuum? Then vacuum it. Or does it need dust mopping? Then dust mop the edges around it. You have a total of 2 minutes per room. Now, if you want to spend a minute on each, that will be fine too. But you're going to pick 5 rooms. So like your bedroom, the hallway, maybe a guest room, maybe the foyer and the great room. I mean, that's an example. You pick the 5 rooms you want. Then we're going to mop. We're going to go in the kitchen. Now, you didn't dust mop or sweep the kitchen because as part of your before bed routine, your after dinner routine, you are sweeping the kitchen. So every day it's swept. So it's not going to be hard to mop. So you use your little mopper with the little trigger that sprays, and you're going to mop that kitchen real quick, 3 minutes, and then 2 minutes on each bathroom. You are done. Put your sheets in the dryer. When they're dry, put your sheets on your bed. Don't put new sheets on the bed from the closet. Don't fold sheets. It's a huge waste of time. You have more important things to do than fold sheets, okay? Don't iron sheets. I know some of you love to do that, but remember, our focus is our family. They don't need ironed sheets. Our sheets today are no iron. So don't iron sheets. If your mother always did it, good for her. You don't need to. Take them out of the dryer, put them on your bed. If you leave them in the dryer and they get all wrinkled, yeah, you're going to feel like you need to iron them. So listen to the buzzer. Take them out when they're warm. Shake out the pillowcases. Spread the fitted sheet on. Tuck it in. Spread the flat sheet. Put it on. Put the pillowcases on the pillows. Put it up. Pull over the cover. Ta-da! Tonight it's going to be sweet and clean. Okay? All right. And then let's say you had a hard stop at lunch, which we talked about. I didn't say hard stop, but a hard stop at lunch, and you did a clutter stop as well. Now we've come to about 5 o'clock, 4:30, depending on your area, 5:30. Let's call in our payroll homemakers. They get home about 5:30 if they get off at 5. They're going to do a quick clutter stop. So payroll, quick clutter stop. That'll be your second of the day. Now we're going to make dinner. It takes about 30 minutes to make a meal. If you have it all planned out, you make your meal, 30 minutes to eat it, and about 15 to 30 minutes to clean the kitchen with the help of your family. So you're going to do the after dinner routine. When that is done, you're going to do a quick before bed routine for yourself. Hop in the shower. You know, get one of those scrunchies and some body liquid and just do it quick. You don't have to spend forever. Wash your face in there. Get out, moisturize your face, put on your PJs, which you laid out, go in your bedroom, lay out your clothes for tomorrow, and put your clothes away today. If your clothes are still clean, hang them up. If they smell funny, put them in the wash. If you got a little spot on it, get a little Dawn, rub it with some water. It'll make a nice big old wet spot. Hang it up on a hanger and hang it out in your room before you go to bed tonight or first thing in the morning. It'll be dry. You can put it back in your closet. Okay? If it's got dirt all over it, then of course you're going to put it in the dirty clothes. Or if it has spots all over it, you want to spot it with some, I use Dawn. You do what you do. You know, you can use spray and wash or whatever. I just use a little spot of Dawn, give it a little scrub, and throw it in the laundry because I know I'm going to wash it shortly. Then I put it in the laundry and it comes out fine. Now you don't want to load it with it, just a little. All right, so after that, we're going to do our before bed routine for our children. We're going to do our last clutter stop, and then you're going to go at 9:30. You're going to have some time off. You're going to have about 9:30, go into your kitchen, start your dishwasher, make sure there's soap in it, go in the bathroom, brush and floss, and go to bed. That's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous Monday, and I hope you always remember that you are beautiful. So be beautiful.